glad I had a plan B. It came in useful. Last Thursday morning, I got a call from my company that my department had been eliminated. So I lost my position at my corporate job that I'd had for 19 years in a phone call, guys. That's how this company handles things. And I found out that 25% of the workforce was reduced on Thursday. I found that out today. 25% of us were reduced. Guys, you have to have a backup plan. I started this a while back, and I'm so thankful I did. It's been 7 days because it was last Thursday when I lost my job and I got that phone call. And in that 7 days, I've made $2,100 because I had a backup plan. So I didn't have to worry. I had coworkers. My boss, when I called her, she was crying her eyes out because she was their only source of income and had nothing else, guys. You have to get prepared in today's world. When you do this, it's your business. You are the CEO. The only one that can lay you off or terminate you is going to be you. And the only way you're not going to succeed is honestly if you don't try. If you plug in and you are coachable and you are consistent, you will have success. So you just got to plug in, and this works for everybody if you are coachable and you plug in. Michelle gives us so much, guys. We even get daily videos with mindset, motivation, training, content ideas. There's no way you're not going to learn how to promote your products, no matter what your products are. This is not a buy a course to sell a course. This is buy a course to learn how to have multiple streams of income and build a legacy for your family. And I am so thankful that I found this product, these products, and this community, guys. This community is so supportive. We have so many 6- and 7-figure mentors. I'm on my way to being one this year. And they are all here for you, guys. You can put a question. We have a search bar, just like Google, in our community. If you put your little question in there, or put TikTok in there, or Facebook, or whatever you want to know about, and you hit that button, hundreds of answers will come up for you. And if they don't, type in your question. About 5 minutes later, you're going to get 4 or 5 people that answer you, because 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, somebody is here to help you. So my recommendation is get started as soon as possible, because these new products that come out are going to elevate your success. I promise you, they will.